Hello again! Yes! Ipupush natin ang pag-voice over. Samahan nyo kami as we enjoy their Saturday night. I enjoyed my Saturday night, yes. We, the family of Emma, we
Nakikita pa ba ako? Oh my God! Wala tayo set up, set up. Mahulog yung tissue, wala na naman yung phone ko. Chantik bang! Plays on my mind. Everywhere. Every day. So tell me where you are from, 'cause it's breaking my heart. Maybe my love will come back someday. Only
Originally, the plan was going to the park. Pero kaso, sarado na daw ata yung park na pupuntahan namin. So, ang bagsak namin ay buffet. Ayan. So, halal yan. So, walang pork dyan. All seafood, beef, veggies, tapos yung mga lutong ulam. Ang sasarap ng mga luto ng mga Muslim. Yes, it's halal food. They're more into spicy food. Kaya gusto kong kumakain dyan. Pero, yung iPad nila, pinalitan na nila. Uling na yung gamit. Ang pangit. Hindi na yung stove. Pero I think, because of safety na rin siguro. Pero we didn't enjoy the barbecue. So, yung soup na lang. So, ayan, yung mga food ready to eat na. Tapos, may, dun sa panda kanina na pinakita ko, yun yung mga lulutuin pa lang. Pero, hindi kami kumuha ng maraming ganun. Yan na lang, yung mga luto na. So, yan yung family ni Emma. So, before I took videos and pictures, inask ko si Emma if it's okay for me to post them. And she said yes. Kaya, safe naman tayo. So, ipopost natin sila. Yan. So, dumiretso kami dyan. Okay. So, gusto ng mga bata dyan. Nagtagal kami dyan siguro. Nakauwi na kami siguro mga 9:45. I swear! We'll be having more videos. Basta. May plano, char. So, that's it. That's how we spend our Saturday night together. I enjoyed it with Emma. So, ayan kami habang naglalaro yung mga bata, kwentuhan. Yan. So, hanggang nakauwi na kami. 9:45, mga alas 10 na siguro ako nakarating ng bahay. Bye! Thank you!